Another interesting thing that happened with particularly stainless steel pans is you really want a lid a lot of the time, right? If you're slow cooking something, then this funny looking thing looks like kind of a crepe pan or a flat skillet. Guess what it is? It's an awesome crepe pan or flat skillet. Also happens to be the lid for the pan. So we knew that manufacturing in Australia, or now manufacturing in the USA, we couldn't make lids to a competitive price. We'd have to go offshore to get in a cheap, regular old stamped lid that's just a lid. So we said, what can we do? Well, we can make a lid that does more than one thing. It's not just a lid. It's also a skillet. So, and we thought it would be popular because it works, but we thought it's a little quirky. You know, people have got to get their head around this new thing. But really quickly it's gone boom like that, and people are talking about the lid as being a great piece of cookware in its own right.
So I use the lid probably about the same amount of time as I use the pot.
There you go.
And you know, for you at home, if you're making tacos, street tacos, it's a great way to just heat up your flour, your corn tortilla. It's a great way to do it. Quesadillas, awesome. Grilled cheese. But then, you know what I started using it for? I started using it to sear meat.
Yeah, that's great.
It's beautiful for it. And now
Ferritic stainless steel, not nickel-based austenitic. They both cook differently.
Oh, absolutely. The one thing I've noticed with using the lid in particular is I don't go above a medium-low heat. Because if I go too high, this conducts heat so well, it burns. So you got to watch your temperature when you're using these. But again, it comes back to that statement. I'm using less energy to get the same result.
And you just adjust what you do, and it becomes more natural. Then when you go back to another pan, you go, is this thing going to boil? You're waiting and waiting.
But wait a second. There is no other pan.
Right answer. I love it.
Again, like I think I said earlier, over 100 years in cooking, and I don't look that old, but I've spent the last 30 plus in this industry. I haven't seen an innovation like this in that time. And I'm not just talking about the lid, I'm talking about the whole line. So the stainless steel, solid piece, no rivets, the wrought iron, solid piece, no rivets, multi-generation.
Well, I hope you haven't seen another one, because that's my patent's out the window. We're meant to be the first. We got the patents, right?